guys, again welcome back to the channel guys. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode guys, for those of you who have seen the previous one, alright, so we changed the radiator hose, the radiator upper hose, alright, and you saw, alright, the coolant getting onto the alternator. And bad news guys, the alternator is gone. Yep, so I tried to clean it with contact cleaner and all this, hopefully to get it to start working again, okay, but the thing is it just stopped working altogether. Right, so for today's episode, okay, we have actually gotten a new alternator. Alright, so we have gotten the alternator and today we'll be doing a F10 alternator replacement. Alright, so for those of you who are new, alright, please consider to subscribe, okay, please subscribe. Yeah, because we are short on subscribers guys. Please do me a favor. Yeah, pressing the subscribe button is free, okay, and press the like button as well and share it with someone who has problems with their alternators. Alright, so without further ado, we're going to start this video and show you how it's done. Alright, so let's go. Well, you can see on the system voltage, right? This is in the hidden menu, right? And you can see right now it's 13 point something, and when you rev it, right, you know, it is actually charging. Back then, you know, it wasn't working. Whew! Alright, so guys, okay, that's the end of the whole DIY. As you can see, my hands are trashed, okay? You know, there's so much dirt and so much oil on it. Alright, so guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one, okay? If you are having alternator problems, alright, check this out. And if you have a friend who has an alternator problem, charging problem, okay, thinking about whether to change the alternator or not, right? So this is how you do it. Right, so guys, okay, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you like this, please remember to smash the like button. Alright, remember to subscribe. We are low on subscribers, guys. Just hit on subscribe. It is free and it keeps, you know, it keeps the channel alive. Alright, so guys, enjoy this one. Alright, stay safe, stay healthy. Happy morning, Oka. Bye.